So it's pretty much exactly a year ago today that Samsung originally showed me the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook at CES 2020. Now, the Galaxy Chromebook was one of the highest end Chromebooks we'd ever seen. It had a really premium build, a 4K OLED display, some decently powerful processors, lots of RAM, a lot of storage. I mean, it was pretty overpowered for a Chromebook. But that also meant that it cost a lot of money. Samsung was charging $999 for the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook, and that kind of goes against the whole point of Chromebooks. Like, Chromebooks are supposed to be these devices that are relatively affordable because most of the heavy lifting is actually done in the cloud, in Chrome. So a lot of people were kind of skeptical about this thing. So this year, it's pretty obvious that Samsung heard what everyone was saying, and they took the Galaxy Chromebook and they cut it down a little bit in both price and specs to make the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2. Now, the Galaxy Chromebook 2 still has a really similar DNA to the original Samsung Galaxy Chromebook. It still has a really nice metal finish, it comes with this bright Fiesta red color, and overall it just feels like a very premium device. But if you look a little bit closer, Samsung definitely cut out a few of the features from the original Galaxy Chromebook to bring down the price and make it more accessible for more people. Now, probably first and foremost, Samsung moved from a 4K OLED display in the original Galaxy Chromebook to a QLED FHD display in the Galaxy Chromebook 2. Now, from my hands-on time with the device, the screen still looks really nice. I mean, it's a bright and vivid and colorful display. Samsung is very good at making display panels, but obviously the 4K OLED panel was sucking a lot of power. Some of the original reviews of the Galaxy Chromebook says that Samsung was rating like 8 hours of battery life and they were only getting like 4.5, which is kind of a bummer, especially considering Chromebooks are supposed to have really good battery. That's supposed to be one of the really good things about them. Now, besides the screen, you've got two main spec SKUs of the Galaxy Chromebook 2 this year. There's an Intel Celeron 5205U model with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. You've also got a Core i3 10110U model with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. So that's not the 256GB of storage or the i5 that you got last year. It's definitely going to be a little bit more cut down. But again, I think that making a Chromebook more affordable and just making sure the design is really nice while maybe cutting back on the specs is a good move, because most of the heavy lifting is going to be done in the cloud anyway. So besides those core specs, you've got two USB-C ports, a micro SD card slot, and a headphone jack. You've also got a 720p webcam in the front of the laptop. But again, you are missing a few of the core aspects of the original Galaxy Chromebook. Like, one, they took out the extra webcam that was right above the keyboard in the original Galaxy Chromebook that you could use if you flipped the screen around the keyboard so you could take pictures of things in front of you and whatnot. I don't think a lot of people really use that, so that would be a sensible thing to take out. Now, unfortunately, Samsung also took out the pen that they had in the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook, which is kind of a bummer because I really liked having a pen slotted right into the body of the Galaxy Chromebook. Now, the Galaxy Chromebook 2 is still compatible with pens, it just doesn't have a pen built right into it anymore. And, you know, that's a little bit of a bummer, but it makes sense for them to take it out. So you're probably wondering what Samsung's charging for a Galaxy Chromebook that takes out all of these features. Well, it's going to start with the Celeron model at $549, and I think that's still a little bit expensive considering what you're getting out of the Chromebook, but it also got a really premium design. It comes in that bright Fiesta red color. It's got a really nice touchscreen display. I mean, it is a very premium Chromebook, and if that's what you're looking for, this could be worth a look. But I'm curious, what do you guys think about Samsung's second Galaxy Chromebook, the Galaxy Chromebook 2? Let me know in the comment section down below as per usual, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.